Eucalyptus oil can not only silence a cough, it can also help you get the mucus out of your chest. Inhaling vapor made with the essential oil can loosen mucus so that when you do cough, it's expelled. Using a rub containing eucalyptus oil will produce the same effect. To provide relief, you need a mucus substitute, and honey is ideal. Honey is sticky, thick, providing a protective membrane over the mucous membranes. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and contain an enzyme that converts into hydrogen peroxide when combined with salt and water. Apple cider vinegar is rich in the same nutrients that you would find in apple skin. The acid in apple cider vinegar tends to have mucus in the throat. This helps the mucus to move out of your respiratory system more quickly. Loosening phlegm can help you feel like you're on the way to recovery. Ginger can be used as a natural decongestant and antihistamine. Antiviral and antibacterial properties of ginger can help in easing congestion in the chest by drying out excess mucus and stimulating removal of its buildup. Drinking ginger tea a few times in a day can help in eliminating excess mucus. Garlic can be used as a natural expectorant which can help in breaking down phlegm buildup. Antimicrobial properties of garlic can help in fighting viral, fungal, and bacterial infections, which causes respiratory gland to produce more phlegm. Including more garlic in your diet can help in eliminating excess phlegm from the body. Cardamom can help in reducing buildup of excess mucus in the body. Cardamom is traditionally taken after meals for aiding digestion and assimilation. It aids easy digestion of food by protecting mucous membranes. It liquefies mucus in heavy foods which are harder to digest and form more mucus in the body. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned and please subscribe for more health and weight loss tips.